Olives grow on the ancient evergreen tree, Alea europaea, a species deeply connected with Mediterranean agriculture. The olive's roots trace back to the Mediterranean region, where humans gradually transformed wild olives into cultivated varieties. After flowering and pollination, successful olive flowers begin developing into tiny green fruits. During summer, the olive slowly enlarges as its flesh accumulates water, oils, sugars, and other natural compounds. As the olive ripens, pigments change its skin, from green toward purple or black, while its oil content continues to develop. An olive tree develops an extensive root system that helps anchor the tree and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Commercial olive orchards commonly begin with carefully selected nursery plants, chosen for reliable growth and fruit production. Vegetative propagation allows growers to produce new olive plants that retain the desirable characteristics of the parent cultivar. Before planting, growers prepare suitable soil and drainage conditions, because olive trees perform best when their roots are not exposed to prolonged waterlogging. Once planted, the young olive tree begins establishing its roots and adapting to the soil, sunlight, and climate of its new orchard. New olive leaves expand slowly, building the photosynthetic surface the young tree needs for continued growth. Olive leaves capture sunlight through photosynthesis, producing the energy and organic compounds that support the entire tree. Careful pruning can shape the olive canopy, improve light distribution, and help growers manage productive branches. Spring flowering transforms the olive canopy as tiny flowers prepare the tree for its next generation of fruit. Olive pollination depends heavily on airborne pollen, while insects may also visit flowers as part of the orchard ecosystem. After successful pollination and fertilization, tiny olive fruits begin forming as the tree enters its next stage of development. Throughout summer, young olives steadily enlarge, while the tree continues directing water and nutrients toward developing fruit. Where irrigation is used, targeted watering can supply the olive tree with moisture while reducing unnecessary water loss. A diverse orchard ecosystem can support natural pest control, pollinators, soil organisms, and healthier agricultural landscapes. Growers monitor olive trees carefully so potential pests and diseases can be detected before they threaten fruit quality or yield. Olive oil is stored mainly in the fruit's mesocarp, and oil accumulation changes substantially during fruit maturation. Ripening changes olive pigments, texture, flavor compounds, and the balance of chemical components inside the fruit. Harvest timing depends on the cultivar and the desired balance between fruit maturity, oil characteristics, flavor, and yield. During harvest, growers remove olives carefully and collect them quickly to protect the fruit from unnecessary damage. Modern mechanical harvesters can remove large quantities of olives efficiently while reducing the time fruit spends exposed in the orchard. Freshly harvested olives are handled carefully because bruising and prolonged storage can reduce their quality. After harvest, olives are transported from the orchard to the mill where they can be transformed into olive oil. Modern olive mills commonly use continuous processing systems that clean, crush, mix, separate, and clarify the olive paste. Before extraction, leaves, twigs, and other field debris are removed so the olives can enter the processing line more cleanly. Depending on the mill and fruit condition, olives may be washed to remove remaining surface dirt before crushing. Crushing breaks the olive cells and releases tiny oil droplets from the fruit's fleshy tissues. Inside the olive paste, Countless tiny oil droplets begin moving together as the fruit's natural structure has been broken apart. During malaxation, gentle mixing allows tiny oil droplets to merge into larger droplets that can be separated more efficiently. A high-speed centrifuge separates the olive paste into oil and the remaining water and solid plant material. Freshly separated olive oil emerges as a concentrated expression of the fruit, carrying aroma, flavor, and naturally occurring compounds. Clarification removes remaining moisture and tiny particles, helping produce a cleaner and more stable olive oil. Olive oil is stored in carefully controlled tanks to protect its quality from oxygen, heat, light, and other damaging conditions. Reducing contact with oxygen helps slow oxidation and preserve the fresh characteristics of high-quality olive oil. Before release, olive oil can undergo chemical and sensory evaluation to determine its quality and classification. Once approved for packaging, olive oil is carefully filled into containers designed to protect it during storage and transport. Labels connect the finished bottle with information about its identity, origin, category, and handling. Protective packaging keeps the bottle secure and helps shield the oil during storage and transportation. After packaging, olive oil enters a global supply chain connecting mills and producers with retailers and consumers. From the orchard, olive oil finally reaches the kitchen where its aroma, texture, and flavor become part of everyday food. Inside every olive are a protective skin, fleshy oil-rich tissue, and a hard central stone surrounding the seed. Olives provide dietary fat, fiber, minerals, and naturally occurring plant compounds, while their exact nutrition varies with processing. Olive oil is especially rich in monounsaturated fat, making it an important source of dietary fat in Mediterranean-style eating patterns. Extra virgin olive oil also contains naturally occurring phenolic compounds that contribute to its characteristic flavor and antioxidant activity. Replacing some saturated fats with unsaturated fats, such as those found in olive oil, can support a heart-healthy dietary pattern. For thousands of years, olives have connected Mediterranean agriculture with food traditions built around simple, diverse ingredients. Professional tasting evaluates olive oil through aroma, flavor, bitterness, pungency, and the presence or absence of sensory defects. The character of olive oil can range from delicate and fruity to intensely bitter and peppery, depending on fruit and processing conditions. An olive orchard is more than a crop field because its trees can provide habitat and resources for many other organisms. Olive trees are naturally adapted to dry Mediterranean summers, but young trees and productive orchards may still require carefully managed water. Maintaining healthy ground cover can reduce erosion, improve soil structure, and create habitat within olive-growing landscapes. Ancient olive trees can survive for centuries, turning individual trees into living witnesses of generations of Mediterranean agriculture. Olive cultivation supports rural communities through farming, harvesting, processing, transportation, trade, and food production. Today, olives are cultivated across many regions, with Mediterranean countries remaining central to global production and trade. The value of olives extends far beyond the farm, connecting growers with processors, exporters, retailers, restaurants, and consumers around the world. Climate change presents olive growers with challenges including heat, drought, irregular rainfall, and shifting pest and disease pressures. From a young tree to a mature harvest, the olive follows a remarkable journey that ultimately connects agriculture with food. Myth: olives are naturally green, but in reality, their color changes as they mature. Myth: Olive oil comes mainly from the seed, but most of the oil is stored within the fleshy part of the fruit. After months of growth and maturation, the olive harvest begins another cycle from orchard to oil, table, and market. An olive tree can outlive generations, carrying the quiet story of cultivation from one season and one harvest to the next. From a flowering tree to a bottle of oil, that every olive carries a journey shaped by nature, farming, science, and human craftsmanship. The future of olives depends on protecting soil, conserving water, supporting biodiversity, and adapting orchards to a changing climate. From a tiny flower to a treasured harvest, the olive reveals how one ancient fruit can connect nature, agriculture, culture, and the world's table.